Right, we're back with another video. That can only mean one thing. We're here at Temoedas again. Mark II's near completion. James has done quite a bit whilst we've been gone. It's all primed and just blocking it back now. So she'll be in the booth soon. What's going on, my man?
The front bumper is kaput.
Is it clapped?
We'll have to fill it all and re-prime it, I'd say. So she won't be going home this weekend, fellas.
Unlucky. Oops.
She's fucked.
Oh boy. So yeah, everything's primed. That will be painted either way. So bought the trailer.
Door handles, side skirts will be painted, wing mirrors, so at least they'll be track ready and ready to have the wide walker whipped off.
So all going well. Be taking it home this weekend. Pretty exciting weekend actually. Going to pick up another car as well today, but that'll probably be a separate video, so look out for that. And I'd say this video is going to be first, but it's a car that probably no one will guess, and it's a beast. So yeah, we're going to finish this, and then me and Gaz are going to shoot up to Auckland, go pick up the new beast. And yeah, excited to see the final result of this. Colours all picked.
It's top secret.
Top secret. Okay. But yeah, she's silky smooth.
She's come a long way.
Oh yeah.
Absolute missile.
Ibisu missile.
She's smooth.
You'll get that.
James has been rubbing this all week. I started at 5 this morning. Jesus.
Well, doing the last of the masking. She's all blocked up, smooth as. Didn't record anything, but we've just been sanding everything. All these mirrors, door handles, wing. Gaz has done the side skirts. Now this is what you call going the extra mile. James is going around all the over fenders, the edges, so he's going to seal it all. It's going to be what you would call seamless. It's seamless, if you will. And then, yeah, once that dries, she's going in the booth and getting the paint. Now, you can kind of see the colour there, but it looks like my colour because it kind of is based off my colour, but no, it is not the same. And once the cars are side by side, you'll definitely be able to see the difference quite easily. But it's got the same pop, the same flip. It's all about the flip, the flippity flop.
Flip of the flops. It's a bit more silvery, a bit more goldy.
Doesn't have the green in it,
Nah.
basically. So yeah, she's pretty much home straight. Here we go. She's rolling in. This is it.
Exciting stuff.
It's been a long time coming. I'll paint it if you want.
Lights, camera, action.
What's that? A tack rag. The final prep sole.
Giving her a quick bath. Have you done this side? Give her a quick bath before the goes down.
You can see it, eh? It's quite amazing how much shit's actually in there.
Yeah.
You'll get that though.
You do get that.
This camera hates the lighting in here, eh?
But
Flickers.
is it the ISO?
How's your tack rags going? Are they tacking?
Tell you what, I've seen some show cars in my time, but this
Ain't
is
one of them.
something else. Eh?
It looks like it's a factory body since it's seamless, eh?
Yeah.
You're never gonna know there's a
Yeah.
over fender there.
You get that when it's seamless.
Seamless, ready for SEMA.
Yep.
Mate, there's a little bit of dust in there. You're lucky you got a tack rag. This is it, the sauce.
Is Evie's happy with that?
Too late, you've already mixed it. It's not the colour you picked. It's pink.
Do you want more, can you see the difference there? Do you want it more bronzy or?
Fuck, I don't know.
You reckon more bronzy?
Oh, I don't know, you're the painter. I can't envision it until it's on the car.
Do you not understand how the flip works?
A little bit more, that'll do.
There you go.
Just like that?
James, just send
Just send it, just biff it in.
Hey, don't be giving away a secret sauce.
I don't even think we know the secret sauce now because it's just anything.
I don't even think James knows what it is now.
Oh, at least you know it's going back to me because I'm the only one that can match it.
No one else in the world can paint me.
There's no code for this one. Did you see that fly around here before?
Yeah.
He's gonna get you.
I'll get him.
Oh, he's hiding. As soon as it's painted, he's going for a waltz on this thing.
Yeah. Actual. Straight up. As soon as the first coat of paint will be like.
Alright, get your race suit on. So we're not going to hide the colour or anything this time. You're going to see it all raw, happening live. What's that face for?
Gonna wait for the big reveal.
Nah, no reveals here. Why you got your hood on? You think you're dripped up? First coat done. Looking good. He sent that, eh? That was like 5 minutes, whole car done. You don't walk around.
Speed painting.
Very interesting. It's like, looks like mine. On camera it definitely looks like mine, but in person it's so much different. Like, so much silver in it. But at the same time looks close to mine. I don't know painter talk, so I don't know how to explain it, but
Yeah, it's an interesting colour.
like in certain flips it just looks straight silver, and then it's got a
Where I'm standing right here, it looks like you'd think it's silver.
yeah, once that clear goes on.
But then once you like stand over here and experience the flip,
It's a crazy flip, eh?
it's something else.
You know what I mean?
That bonnet though.
Yeah, that bonnet's popping. Brand new whip just hopping. So James reckons it needs 4 coats. Why is that?
It's showing up sanding, scratches and stuff like that.
Oh yeah,
You'll never pick it up on camera, but you can only just see it faintly.
yeah. Need to get the full coverage.
It's not so much coverage, fill them in so there's another clear magnifier. That's the first thing you'll see when it can't go up the sun.
Yeah, but damn, that's one straight drift car.
For how long? I don't crash.
Oh, you'll see. So, probably didn't know this, but that coat, James was going diagonally. What was the reason for that?
It's just called a technique coat. Just because you're spraying the same way all the time, you can sometimes leave streaks in your base coat because your metallic will lie funny. By doing a technique, or what we call as a technique coat over the top, it just gets rid of the diagonals, makes it look more even.
The more you know. It's starting to look very different to mine. You come down the back here where it's a bit darker, and it's crazy how dark it is with a different flip. Now, we keep on going on about the flip. If you don't know what the flip is, well that's just the flip. It's dark there, a different angle, it's bloody popping. It's looking bloody good though. So once it clears down, we're gonna see it really hitting different.
I didn't even know that. See that line?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that was there. But now the flip.
So faint. Yeah.
See that? That's what the flip does. It really makes the curves. Oh!
That's quite interesting though, my man. It's very dark down that lower sector.
I'm stoked. It looks.
Oh, you wait till she's out in Razi.
Yeah, and this ain't even with clear on.
Oh yeah.
This is just base coat. Wait till it clears on.
Jesus, boy. So the car's all done in the booth, just drying at the moment. James has dipped to go to a Christmas lunch, family lunch. So he's left me and this ball bag here by ourselves. This is our workshop now. This is a recipe for disaster. But what we're doing in the meantime is finishing off these bumpers. Just filling it as we showed before. This bump, oh, I don't know if we did, but this bumper is fucked. So it's going to take a bit to get it half decent, but I don't think we're going to stress it too much. Yeah, and everything else is pretty much done, so James will be back soon, and then we'll have all the rest of the stuff in the booth. It'll be good to go. We'll show you the car soon, but holy crap, it is so good. We'll roll it out into the sun and
We got the beats bumping. Yeah, as Jared just said before, we're grinding away. No flippant idea what we're doing, we're just sending it. James is gonna get back and be like, oh, you've done it wrong.
it's a circus here. Right. Currently looking at the finished product. We're about to roll her out of the booth into the sun, and you're gonna see it for the first time, but Jesus, boy. Boomfa. Holy. Alright, that looks way different to my car. That is... wow. That's hectic. The camera doesn't do it, eh? You can't see it properly.
No.
That's like so many different colours. See like that bronze, eh?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Check out the flip doing work. Now the sun's gone. It's real bronze. But you can't see it. The camera just can't see the colour. You're gonna have to see it in person. So our one track there, yeah, you'll have to come check it out. Hay fever.
Oh, no.
Well, I think we've got this bumper pretty damn good now. Before there were pinholes absolutely everywhere and it was collapsed, so nearly ready to go on the booth. And that'll be us done. All the bits and pieces. Pop them on the car and see how she looks, half assembled. Oh, this is it. The finale. Final bits. Change the camera settings because it's flickering again. I've seen it all now. Jesus. Definitely doesn't know what he's doing. Tied my bro. Right. It's a new day. Bit tired. So shot up to Auckland, picked up the new car, and boy oh boy. You'll have to wait till the next video, but it's unreal. But anyway, reassemble time. Just putting some of the lights in. This thing is looking so mint. Took all the masking off. The sun's not out today, so it looks like a different color again. That's way different to my color. I don't know if I said that before, but I said it again. It's looking bloody fire. What doing? Headlights.
Nah. Just putting those fancy little dress-up washers on the fenders.
What for?
Because I bought them, may as well use them.
Oh, not bad at all. Look at that. That is popping. So I forgot about all the extra bumpers and stuff. They're all finished. That looks mint. I want to see what that clapped front bumper turned out like.
Sure.
Oh yeah? Can't even tell. It's mint. Big BN blisty side skirts. Quite surprised because even James said, I think we might just have to send the bumper because it's stuffed. Those are words I thought I'd never hear come out of his mouth. Damn. Just roughly put the kit on. That is wild. It's a big rig. That rear bumper sits so low. Holy. So much different in the flesh. That's hectic. Nice one, brother. Yeah. Very surprised those skirts didn't scrape.
I just wonder what it'll be like with the rear bumper on. Well, there we have it. She's all loaded up, all finished. So stoked with how it's come out. It's just, yeah, an absolute transformation from what it was. Just look at it. Like, look, it's so straight. And as you know, this thing before was just, that back quarter was a bent, mangled mess.
Clapped.
It was clapped.
Clapped if you will.
So yeah, massive thanks to James. The amount of hours and effort he's put into this. This car would honestly not look like this at all if it wasn't thanks to him. He's done so much work for us. Still over there working away.
Well, I hope you guys learned something.
We did.
Yeah.
It's been a massive learning curve for us. Hopefully,
sanding sucks, but it is what it is.
yeah, I think now if we do break bumpers, we'll be just buying new ones.
So yeah, James is hungover today. Went to one of his employees' 21st last night. We went late too. Still turned up early.
Yeah.
Unreal.
So yeah. So if you do have any project cars or anything that you just want looking absolutely mint, perfect, this is the man you want to see.
Oh, cheers, guys.
Advanced run out here. Advanced auto refinishes here in Thames. Just quality of work. Thank you, James.
No worries.
You're the man. So stoked with how my car looks. Get it back together, get some nice wheels for it, and then
Go to the track.
destroy it on the
Not
track.
gonna go ploughing into it.
Yep.
And then we can fix it again.
Then we'll come crawling back. James. Start our 5-hour journey home.